welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Training program for army recruitment launched in Ribhoi. Elderly man killed in Rimyar village. Suspect arrested. Over 6,000 young talents identified for sports training by MSOA. And clinker truck accident leaves driver injured, rescued after 2 hours. On November 12, 2024, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner in Ribhoi, in collaboration with the District Sports Office, launched a training program for youth interested in army recruitment. Held at the District Library in Nongpo and NSCA ground, Paham's aim, the initiative aims to equip aspiring candidates with necessary skills for military service. The training, running from November 12 to 17, has already provided participants with valuable experiences on its first day. The opening ceremony was attended by ADC Major Venkat Reddy and enthusiastic youth from Ribhoi district. Teachers will provide further details about the program in the upcoming days, ensuring continued support and guidance for all participants.
Ini. Anyo kan no. Yung tuan ni. Man ni. Mana ni nyo ni? Man ni. Yang ni nyo betul lagi.
Okay, this training, as you're all aware, is for those candidates who have cleared the written test and will appear for the recruitment rally for Agniveer on the 10th to the 12th December at Umrah Cantonment. So, under the leadership and initiative of our Deputy Commissioner, the District Administration, in collaboration with the Office of the District Sports Officer, has arranged this training. It's a month-long training for all those candidates so that it will help them in their next test, okay, that is the physical efficiency test. So without much ado, I would like to impress upon our young guests over here, or over our candidates, that this is indeed an opportunity for all of you to learn a lot from Major Venkat, who is going to deliver a short pep talk today along with the presentation. After this presentation, we will be heading to Paham's ground, where you'll be heading or will be having a month-long coaching from the Office of the District Sports Officer as well as the police to guide you in appearing for the physical efficiency test. So this is an opportunity for the youth of our district who have cleared the written test, and also an opportunity for those who aspire to join Agniveer from next year. So we'd like every one of you to spread the word about such opportunities so that in the next phase, in the next year, we could see more youth joining. And we should also thank our Deputy Commissioner who have initiated such a good training program to equip a youth in training them to appear for both the written and the physical efficiency test. So we've already run
On November 12th, around 1 a.m., A tragic incident occurred in Rimyar village, Peit area, West Khasi Hills, where an elderly man was killed in a suspected attack. The victim, Bokstar Solang, 50 years, from Maukham Nongpendeng village, was reportedly killed by another man, Piswell Langren. Following the incident, Langren attempted to flee but was apprehended with the assistance of village authorities and local residents. The police have taken the suspect into custody and further investigations into the murder case are underway to determine additional details surrounding the crime. In a statewide talent search, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association has identified 6,241 young athletes with the potential for sports excellence. Among these, 2,589 youth have shown exceptional aptitude for football, while 3,652 others demonstrate versatility across multiple sports. MSOA's working president John F. Khuborjylla shared that the program began on October 21st in Shillong and continued across several districts including Kliriat, Jowai, Nongstoin, Mairang, Bhoirambong, Nongpo, Tura, Tikrikila and Ampati, where it concluded on November 6th. After students complete their upcoming exams, the training will resume in the first week of December. This initiative aims to develop these young athletes into champions, contributing to Meghalaya's sporting success in the coming years. The program's widespread reach underscores the state's commitment to nurturing and harnessing youth potential for future sports achievements.
3.1. Very good. 3.1, 3.0. Very good, very good. Keep it up. Station. So 20 meters sprint, the vertical jump, the compass drill and the 10-meter speed ladder run. And we are at Ampati Indoor Stadium, Southwest Garo Hills District. We are thankful to Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Shakla Wajri, Sports Minister, Honorable Sports Minister and the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs for supporting this program, which is identifying talent in a methodological manner on a scientific basis based on data, and it is already showing results, results are, benchmarks are being created, records are being created. We are finding exceptional talent in various rural areas, and through this we hope to nurture these talents to a next level. So we are testing 10,000 this year in the third edition. It was launched in March by Honorable Chief Minister, and then subsequently we had the Lok Sabha and all that. It got we had to hold on, and arrangement was a logistical arrangement of traveling with a team of 20 people all over the districts. We have completed in most of the districts in Khasi and Jaintia Hills. Now we are moving in Garo Hills. We were in Tura, we were in Tikrikila, today we are in Ampati.
A serious accident occurred around 4:30 a.m. when a clinker-loaded truck ML11A 1436 collided with a stationary clinker truck NL01AD 5135 from the rear, severely damaging its cabin and trapping the driver. The driver remained stuck in his seat for nearly 2 hours. Fire emergency services were called, and with the aid of 3 cranes, the driver was successfully extricated. He sustained leg fractures and was rushed to GMHC hospital by 108 emergency services. Both trucks were seized and moved to the roadside, clearing the accident scene for further investigation. For the first time, male and female mixed martial artists from Meghalaya will showcase their skills at the Cherry Blossom Festival set for November 16, 2024. This event, held at Kurkalang Square in Ribhoi district, marks a milestone for Meghalaya's MMA athletes, many of whom have recently gained recognition nationally. Athletes from across India and international participants, including fighters from Afghanistan and Russia, will join the competition. The festival highlights the region's growing MMA scene and offers a platform for local talent to compete with seasoned fighters from around the world.
Entertainment Group, but government of Meghalaya. Platform company fighters but Meghalaya cage fight lembaga Cherry Blossom along exhibition fights. Jigsmomo jangan bahasa team revolution blushing kabu alam nanti ini banyo ya lat banyo saprian MLE happening community juni. Meghalaya cage fight kaban salong Cherry Blossom Festival kinyo ki fighters naga state juni banpeni ki sub talent juni persha ki fighters nakiwi bat ki states but they tang ki states ro nabar jilla naka bahar ka region ni kujo kindan ki fighters ki banwan na ro na Russia ban Afghanistan ki ban chimta the fighters naka jalla joni nidon ki fighters ki lapa bha kumiba joni nuru ki bala gobdan kamsho don panitho te Darren Khashandi ibla jujok ya nationals MMA nidon naka lian nidon bestar ibla pa bha national level te kumjo nidon ki kanthe ki banya fight thì cái này là quan attention là vấn đề là bunsin ki ông ba cái này công ty cái sport cho ki cần thấy rồi hàng nghe thì ki cần thấy ki ba display là ki talent cho ki tất cả cái chuyện mình tôi lúc bạn nên cái chỉ ki cần thấy làm tao và bạn xem cái sport mà cái đó cái chuyện mình tôi là mình self defense jo thì nằm đến ki North East fighters ki ban wan ki ki jilla nidan ki banwan ki fighters ki batapit bhang po Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram ban kumju naka state jani. Tena mainland India pat nidan ki fighters ki banwan nadu Uttarakhand. Na Uttarakhand kadang kui ka gym ka bala army ki fighters ki bala pa ki bala poi haro ka UFC level kumju. Te bat kumju na Maharashtra kembali fighters ki banwan. Te kajing beli ni penlong ke MMA. Namar pa nungkong ka MMA kali ka sport kebetulan kata ka fastest growing sport in the world. Mo te kadang kajing mentoy banginde ka MMA namar pa ngapit nuntan lemba ka UFC. Baru ki itu dia ka MMA. Kalau exciting ni beliau Peit lu, nampak ke MMA ke sedang kum ke sport mencari bagi test, kau ke sport persyak kau kum bagi test, dia ke karate persyak ke taekwondo persyak ke boxing persyak ke wrestling, hendrai bentar kalau evolve ke ni ke MMA, kalau ada ke specialized sport, bah pendekatan baru ke techniques, martial arts, ke pendekatan jong ni. The rules and regulations ru mentaka alam bakin ma mentaki fighters namar bagi perkhat khampam mentaka safety to the fighters te bunsin kibri ki ong bakalong violent andre ka MMA shisin bakla train pinang ban sumasha lagi te hawa kongsan ya pat beli ni encourage.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.